Hello and welcome! I'm making these clown earrings today. Grab your supplies and let's do it! Roll out a ball of purple, green, and orange clay into a cone shape, one end coming to a point. Take an itty bitty ball of gold clay and attach it to the pointed end of each color. Gently roll it to attach it to the end. Repeat with each color. Attach each cone shape to a ball of pearl-colored clay. You can also use white if you don't have pearl. Gently pull down on each cone shape so that it attaches to the clay. Roll out some gold-colored clay and wrap this around the base of the cones. Cut off any excess clay and then join the two pieces together. Use a needle tool or a toothpick to make lines around the outside of the gold clay. Try to space them out as evenly as possible. Finish off each of those lines by placing a line on top of the gold clay also. Take two balls of red clay and roll them out into a thick cone shape. Place one on each side of the Joker hat. This will be our hair. Use your needle tool to give the hair texture. You want it to kind of have that rumpled, fluffy looking clown-like hair. If you are enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button. It would help me out a lot. I post videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Thank you for any and all support. Use a ball tool and make a crevice for each of the eyes and the nose. You do want your eye sockets to be slightly larger than the eyeballs that we will be placing in a moment. Using that same tool, take some black chalk pastel and place it in each of the eye sockets. I do like to place a little bit of the black chalk pastel up around the rim of the eye socket. Take two small balls of white clay and place it in each of the eye sockets. Gently pat it into place. Use a needle tool and make a small hole in the center of each eye. Take a small ball of red clay and place it in the crevice for the nose. Can't have a clown without a big red nose. Use a paintbrush and apply a little red pastel to the cheeks. Roll out a thin piece of red clay. Make each end come to a point. And you want the center larger. This will be the top lip. Make each end point up, like a smile. Gently place this on the clown. Don't pat it into place until you have it set where you would like it. Roll out another piece, this time a little smaller. It'll be for the bottom lip. Roll out a thin piece of white clay and place it between each of the lips. These are our clown teeth. Use your needle tool to move it around and set it into place. Time to add in the eye hooks. Gently pre-poke your hole and then add your eye hook in. Form your Joker hat spikes however you would like them to look. Roll out balls of gold clay, enough to make a small circle. Gently place them together and form them into a circle. Apply a little bake-in bond around the rim. Place your clown on top and gently set into place. Repeat all steps with the second clown and bake your pieces. Glue in your eye hooks and resin your pieces. To assemble your earrings, all you'll need is a jump ring and an earring hook. and your cute scary clowns are done. Please check back tomorrow. I am posting 31 videos for the month of October. That is 1 video a day, folks. And thank you so much for watching. Bye!